Welcome to the Hard Hat Training Series. Today you will learn about lockout or tagout safety procedures. We will strive to provide information that will increase your knowledge and help to make you a better and safer operator. Machines and equipment cannot last forever, so when they break down or are in need of maintenance, proper procedures must be carefully followed to isolate the machine from its source of energy in order to prevent an incident from occurring. This training will outline the measures for controlling hazardous energies. The overall goal today, then, is to focus on general safety principles. We will provide information that will increase your recognition of potential hazards, improve your knowledge of safe operations, and keep you and those around you safe. We will go over what lockout or tagout means, as well as the minimal LOTO procedures required by the standard. We will also look at employees' responsibility to know and apply these procedures. We will go over the three types of employees covered by the lockout or tagout standard, namely authorized, affected, and other. We'll then talk about the different types of lockout devices and tags. We'll discuss the proper way to use them, when to use them, and how to best isolate the hazard. We will talk about the energy control program every employer is required to have. We will also touch on employee training, inspections, and other machine operating procedures that will help to keep you safe. Lastly, we will categorize some of the more common hazards associated with LOTO, followed by an examination of accident profiles and what can happen when hazards are encountered because of a failure to follow procedures. On that note, the following is a top 10 list of the most frequently cited standards for 2015. This particular list comes from the United States, but the findings are strikingly similar no matter the country. In fact, in Canada, LOTO citations are often in the top 3. Regardless, these types of lists are published as a means of alerting the industry about commonly cited standards. The hope then is that you take whatever steps necessary to both find and fix recognized hazards before they become a problem. Interestingly enough, these same hazards show up on these types of lists time after time, and year after year after year, injuries are sustained and lives are lost. Even worse, as far as lockout or tagout is concerned, the number of violations are increasing. It is climbing the list toward the top. And why? What is it going to take for workers to realize the task at hand is serious and dangerous? First and foremost, safety starts with a knowledge and basic understanding of the standards governing your specific industry and work situation. These are some of the main lockout/tagout standards, but it is your responsibility to be familiar with and heed all standards specific to your industry, province, city, and company.